First RF and ultrasound function button. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. Thread 7 is recommended. Constant working mode for ultrasound is recommended. Null mode for RF function is recommended. Ultrasound mode selection. Constant working mode. Suitable for those with thick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode. Suitable for those who have unwanted fat on subsafety areas and want to shape body. RF mode selection. Null is fixed mode. The RF energy directly reaches pressure level. Show is smart mode. The RF energy slowly reaches pressure level. Apply dedicated ultrasound gel even into the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment.